What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? So this is my first computer build. As you see, we took no shortcuts at all. We got the XL Evo. Everything land lead when it comes down to the radiator. We got these are going to be our intake fans. These are our exhaust fans. Trident 4090. I will be upgrading to a 5090 when they come out. Ryzen 9 7050 X3D. We're going with the Grizzly thermal pad. And these are just streamers. Be quiet for the power source. And then I will be doing a video also with the two monitors. Is going to be the Asus ROG Strict 31-inch 4K OLED. We're going with two of those. I really wish they made them in 27-inch 4K.